Can you get rich with a cleaning business? Yeah, you absolutely can. And on this video, I'm going to prove it to you. But before we get into that, quickly, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike Mack from AutomatedCleaningBusiness.com, and I help people build an automated cleaning business. I'm also the author of the Amazon bestseller, Pick Up Cash, Not Trash, where I show you how to do just that. If you want a copy, it's in the description. Just cover the shipping. I'll eat the cost of the book. Now that all that's out of the way, let's get into the video. All right, can you get rich with a cleaning service? I mean, a little old cleaning service, a non-sexy, just send cleaners to an office, they clean it, you profit. I mean, can you actually do that? I mean, this industry is older than dirt. Like, how does that even work? Well, let me tell you something. Those are absolute advantages. So they are proof positive because the industry is old as dirt, because the revenue is recurring, and because we are only targeting large offices. I'm going to break down your blueprint for making this happen with a simple office cleaning business. Let's get to the things. Okay, to make this work, there are 3 core concepts as I see it, and that has made me really successful, and it's going to make you really successful if you just follow these core concepts and do not deviate even a little. And that first core concept is less is more. Okay, what does less is more mean? Exactly what it sounds like. You want less clients paying you more money. If you go out and get just any client who will have you, I mean, little client here, little client there, little client there, little client everywhere. See, when you have the approach of I'm just gonna get any client I possibly can, the problem with that is, like I just mentioned, they're small accounts. So when you have a bunch of small accounts like that, I mean, it's taking forever for you to grow. And it's also kind of a nightmare logistically to worry about so many different accounts. Now, on the opposite side, if you were only targeting 5 to 10K accounts, maybe even 15K accounts, you can see how they stack up pretty quickly. So let's just say 10K. Let's say middle of the road. Let's say you get 10K accounts, okay? Now, if you get a 10K office, now those type of office, you'll probably have to put like maybe 4 to 5 cleaners there per night. Maybe, not everywhere, it's just kind of assumption. And then you go move on to the next office. And now when you're growing at this pace, you only need to bring on like 1 a month. You don't need like 16 different offices. So that gives you plenty of time to get them in place, train them up, ready to go, move on to the next one. But since you are stacking 10K accounts, I mean, think about it. 10K, next account. Let's say it's 7K. Now you're at 17K. Let's say another 10K 3 months later. So now you're sitting at $27,000 per month recurring revenue. So let's say you don't even get a client that 4th month. Guess what you're still making? $27,000 per month. Guys, it's insane. Like, this approach of less is more is going to make you so much more money and so much less headache in the long run because you're only focusing and servicing these great clients. So apply less is more to this business and you will skyrocket. Let's get to the next thing. Okay, this one is super, super important. Before I jump into it, if you haven't already, you find this valuable, hit me with a like button. Also, subscribe, why not? All right, let's get to it. Okay, the next thing is attractive culture. Now, when you hear core values, when you hear like this idea of your vibe attracts your tribe, I used to roll my eyes. I used to think that was woo-woo, and I don't know, I thought it was overrated. I thought it was kind of a scam, to be honest, but it's not. Let me tell you something. I am living proof. The company I have today would not be the way it was if we did not build an attractive culture. To build a successful company, you have to build a culture that people want to be a part of. You have to create an environment where people can thrive, people can rise, people just get excited to be a part of this company. Your company mission becomes their mission. Now, for your cleaning service, it may feel like, oh yeah, well, like what's a mission? The mission could be anything. It could be, changing the industry in your area. It could be delivering a service that is truly quality, delivering a service that's worthy of getting $10,000 per month. Your mission could be anything. It could be whatever you want. It could be to enrich yourself and your company and your crew, whatever you want. You just have to have a mission, but you got to be careful though. The mission that you put out there, your core values are going to attract the people that would be coming in. Now, don't make them empty. I mean, I can make a whole other video if you want that. Put core values below if you want a whole core values video. But the key is here, don't make it empty. Don't say words like strategic. We want to be strategic. We want to have synergy. I don't know. You get my point, all right? So build that culture, and it's key. Remember that, because people will want to be part of your company and help you grow. That's concept 2. Let's get to concept 3. Okay, number 3. delegation. So you know what delegation is. If you don't, it's basically just giving off your task to someone else, right? That's probably not the Webster's dictionary of it, but that's what it is. So the key here is not just to delegate, it's knowing when to delegate. What I've realized in business all these years is that what makes you truly great as an executive or a CEO or a president of the company, whatever, big decision maker, is it's not just knowing that you should delegate or what to delegate, but also when to delegate. So you are the CEO of the company. The best thing you should be focused on, the best thing you can focus on is growth. Now, the thing is, in the beginning, you're gonna have multiple hats. You're gonna have a marketing hat on, a sales hat on, customer service hat on, a training hat on. I mean, you're gonna have multiple hats on, but you have to really think about it and rank it out. The more you get to focus on these skills that drive in new revenue for your company, the faster your company is gonna grow. But so many people get so bogged down, myself included in the beginning. I used to get bogged down on tasks that just I shouldn't have been focused on that, but it's okay because you live and you learn. But this is what I'm telling you right now, so hopefully you don't make that mistake. But don't get bogged down on things that don't grow your company. As soon as you're able to, you want to start giving these things away. Like right off the bat, you shouldn't be cleaning. The next thing I would say is you shouldn't be doing the quality supervising work. You shouldn't be cleaning the microfibers and delivering the supplies. I mean, it's okay in the very beginning, but you want to think as soon as possible, you want to start removing these tasks off your plate. Why? So you could focus on the things that actually help you to grow, okay? Because if you are not growing, then you are dying. That's powerful. I don't know who said that, but it was great. It stuck with me. Anyway, so guys, that's the key. So you have to know when to delegate. So the thing is in the very beginning, even if you don't have any money, you need to be thinking about this right now because this is going to help you govern your company. This is going to help you grow your company, okay? So super important, don't skip that. And if you want my help, you want my team's help, you want to get this thing off the ground, click the first link in the description, talk to my team, see if we can help you. If we can, we'll show you what it looks like. If not, at least you'll learn a bunch in the process. For everyone else, hit that thumbs up button. And if you enjoyed the video and you want more content, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.